right, it's Amy from Custom Vinyl Decor. I wanted to show you a project that I'm working on right now. I had my husband cut a board for me and I painted it and I left it kind of with some of the brush strokes so that it was a little more rustic. And this is going to be going on my front porch, and the reason I left it painted that way is because I'm going to be putting one of our most popular decals on it. This is the Pledge of Allegiance in the shape of our flag. And what I have done, I've already taken the backing off of this, and I wanted to show you our backing comes with this grid line, and you'll see these wrinkles. This comes in a roll in the mail to you. These wrinkles will have no effect on your design once you get it on your surface at all, so don't worry about those. But I cut this down so that it was the exact size that I needed. It was straight, and I have gone ahead and made some pencil marks on my board, and I'll put this down so you can see. So I've already made some really light pencil marks, so I know exactly where I'm gonna put this. And I've peeled off the backing, so the design is left on this sticky part of the transfer tape, and I am going to just put this down where my marks are and show you how to get that onto this board. Super easy. Okay, so I've gone ahead and laid this flat. It's not pressed down to the wood yet. I'm getting a credit card. This is my Costco card, and I'm just gonna start, well, first I'm gonna use my hands to kind of flatten it out and get some of these little air bubbles out. And this is really forgiving. It's not hard to do. This is a fairly big piece, but a lot of people are afraid of these bigger pieces, but if you're patient and take time to do it the right way, it will be wonderful every time. So now that I've kind of got that laid down, I'm just going to start using this credit card to really get these bubbles out and get the vinyl to stick to the wood. And this is just going to make a beautiful, simple sign for my porch that I'm excited to put out there to celebrate our nation, Independence Day, July 4th. Okay, I've got this all scraped on, and I am ready to start peeling off the transfer tape. Now, sometimes the pieces will want to stick, like right here. Here's the little eye that kind of peeled up. When that happens, you just use your fingers to help press it back down onto your project or the wall, your wood, wherever, and it will be just fine, because after we're gonna go over with our fingers and get these vinyl pieces to stick to what it is that we're putting them on. Okay, I have it all on my board here. It looks really good. I wanted to show one thing really quick. We have the best team of people that help to cut and ship your order. Every once in a while, they will miss a small little piece, especially on ones like this. There are hundreds of little tiny pieces that have to come out in every P and L, D, G. They all have little pieces that we have to weed out. And so every once in a while, one or two will get missed, which is the case in this one. The D at the very bottom with Liberty and Justice for All has one little piece. So I just wanted to show you what to do, because it's not a big deal at all. You just need to get a straight pin or a safety pin, something with a pointed, sharp pointed edge. Turn on a light, make sure you have lots of light so that you can see where the cut marks are on that piece or that letter or shape or whatever it is. And you just barely poke into the little piece that needs to come out, not the part that needs to stay in. And it comes right off. You can see that little piece, and it just came right out. And this is perfect and ready to go. And here is my finished sign for my porch that I am going to get ready to decorate. I'm probably going to be adding some red stripes around the edge just to give it a little character, but I love how this turned out. It is so cute. We sell this all the time. It's one of our most popular ones. So if you want this one, please come visit us at Custom Vinyl Decor. You can order this in any of our sizes. That comes from little tiny all the way to big, huge. And we have so many colors of Oracle vinyl for you to choose from. So come and visit us today at CustomVinylDecor.com. Thanks and have a great day.